Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 6th episode of Ellen's Juneteenth series. Today I'm going to share with all of y'all a classic Creole and Cajun dish, red beans and rice. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. TheBomb.com, delicious, and it's full of Louisiana flavor. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. Great to serve as a side dish or meal by itself. Also, Juneteenth coming up, this would be perfect to serve. And I post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also, check out my previous video, Fresh Strawberry Pie. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. So grab your red beans, your spices, and get your rice cooking sugar because we're about to cook some red beans and rice magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our beans. I have my colander in the sink and I'm running some water. We're going to add in 1 pound of red kidney beans and we're going to rinse them and remove the pebbles. Alrighty, I am through rinsing my beans. All the pebbles have been removed. Now we're going to pour them into my crock pot. And I have lined it with crock pot liners for easy cleanup. And into our red beans, we're going to add in 4 cups of low sodium chicken broth, or you can use water. And our smoked meat. I'm using smoked ham hocks, or you can use smoked turkey wings. And mine just came out of the freezer, but it's all good. So now we're going to cover it, turn it on low, and we're going to let it cook overnight. And don't worry, they won't be mushy when we cook them the next day. And I'll see you tomorrow. Alright my friends, it's the next day. Let's take a look at the beans. Oh yes, nice and tender. And the ham hock just fall off the bone. And it smells heavenly. So now we're going to set the beans aside while we work on our Trinity. On my cutting board, I have the Holy Trinity, a must-have in Cajun and Creole cooking. 3 stalks of celery, 1 green bell pepper, 1 large onion, I'm using yellow or you can use white, 3 garlic cloves, and 1 bunch of green onions. And we're going to chop them and dice them. We're going to start with the celery, dice. Next is the garlic, gonna mince it. Next we're gonna dice the bell pepper. Next is the green onions, gonna chop them up. Remove the tops. We want the white and the green parts. And last but not least, we're going to dice up the onion. Alrighty, I am through dicing my Trinity and I place them on the side. Now we're going to slice up our sausage. I'm using 12 ounces of andouille sausage. Going to slice them into rounds. Alrighty, I am through slicing my sausage and everything is complete. I have my Trinity in 1 pan, my garlic in a bowl, and the sausage in another pan. So now I'm going to set them aside while I heat up my pot. In my large pot, I have my fire over medium-high heat. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, or you can use canola or vegetable oil. Going to twirl it around to coat the pot. And all we do is let it get hot. And as soon as it gets hot, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, the oil's nice and hot. Now we're going to add in our andouille sausage and give it a quick stir. And we're going to let it cook for 7 minutes until the sausage is brown. All right, my friends, the sausage is nice and brown. Now we're going to add in our holy trinity: onion, green onion, celery, and bell pepper. Now I'm going to add in some kosher salt and a pinch of crushed red pepper flakes and stir it all together. And it will sweat up the veggies. So now we're going to let them cook until the veggies are soft and translucent, about 5 minutes. All right, my friends, the veggies is nice and translucent. Oh, it smells so good up in this kitchen. Onion, celery, and bell pepper, about to be something magical. Now it's time to add in our last ingredient, our minced garlic. And stir that in. And cook for another 3 minutes. All right, my friends, I am through cooking the garlic. Now it's time to add in our other ingredients. Our red beans and smoked meat along with the liquid. And make sure you remove the bones. Next, we're going to add in a 1 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes along with the juice. And our yummy spices: 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ground thyme, 1 teaspoon of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and kosher salt and white pepper, or you can use black pepper to taste. And give it a quick stir until it's well blended. And if needed, you can add in a little bit more chicken broth or water to help thin it out. And stir. Now I'm going to give it a quick taste to see if it needs some more seasoning. Excellent. Alrighty, so now we're going to cover the pot, turn the fire down to simmer, and we're going to let it cook for 1.5 hours. And I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, let's take a look. Oh, yes, beautiful pot of red beans. And look at the sausage and the ham hock and the veggies. And it smells incredible. So now our red beans is ready to serve. And I got through cooking my rice, so I'm going to get that together. And then I will fix me up a bowl, and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, there you have it. Creole red beans and rice. Doesn't that look good? And I garnish it with some fresh parsley. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Grab me some rice and the sausage and some beans. Look at that. Have a bite. It's meaty. And the beans are perfectly cooked. And it has the right amount of heat. Nice and hearty. These red beans and rice are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Red beans and rice-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, much love, and happy Juneteenth.